Good afternoon, REA, and happy Monday. I've got a very loaded update for you with a lot of important information, so please give this a few minutes of your attention. Let's get started. First, school safety training. This is being offered by Education Minnesota in conjunction with REA. This training will equip Minnesota educators with clear practical guidance for responding to ICE activity in schools and workplaces. This training will be held in the Century Forum on Thursday, February 12th from 4 to 6 p.m. And I'm attaching a link to a sign-up form. Please sign up if you're interested. Next, the Educator Group Insurance Program, or EGIP. This is the formal name for statewide single-payer healthcare for educators in Minnesota. The bill numbers are Senate 2909 and House 2904. Please contact your legislator and senator and share your personal health care story, especially if they're Republican. We have some Republican co-signers on these bills in the legislature already, but we really need true bipartisan support to have a chance to pass this into law. Some of the benefits of having a large single-payer pool: increased purchasing power, bargaining power from the state that districts even as large as Rochester don't necessarily have. Stability. Risk is spread out over a larger group. One or two large claims are not going to break the bank and cause massive increases for everybody. Predictability in premiums. Efficiency in management. There will be no need for brokers. Statewide, this is millions of dollars a year. Fewer district resources used. That means more district funds for teacher pay and smaller class sizes. A large pool with reserves can smooth out year-to-year changes. And finally, an ability to advocate for more solutions on a broader scale. Large pooling doesn't fix everything, but would be big progress towards what we have now. The health insurance system has many issues to improve and fix. This would allow us to work towards more solutions. Attached are slides from a presentation I attended, and I'm also including links to additional resources if you'd like more information about EGIP. Next, St. Cloud State University has continuing education opportunities for those of you looking for continuing ed, licensure, or thinking about working towards lane change. SCSU has a variety of flexible, affordable options. Please see the attachment to this email. Next, Minnesota Caucus Night is tomorrow. If you don't know where your precinct caucus is, you can use the Caucus Locator tool on the Secretary of State website, and I'm linking it in this update. If you'd like to make a resolution in your caucus, let me know and I'll explain how to do it and provide an example for you. Next, REA Elections. Nominations are open for the 2026 REA elections until this Wednesday, February 4th, 2026. Please remember to check in with your building FR and make sure they have the correct personal email address on file for you. You'll receive an email at your personal address with a link to vote when the election is open. And just one aside, REA does not share, use, or sell personal email addresses. It is only for union business. Self-nominations are welcome in the elections, and I'll include a link to the nomination form if you'd like to consider running for a position. Finally, a brief update on 403B. As you all know, in our last contract, REA negotiated a change to the 403B match. Starting in August, RPS will match up to 2% of your salary for 403B contributions. Everyone who is currently participating in the match will have to complete a new form indicating what percent, not dollar amount, you want withheld from your contribution. This form is currently being developed by Employee Services, and they anticipate sending out an all-staff email in the next couple of weeks. So watch for that and stay tuned. That's it for this update. As always, reach out if you have questions or anything you'd like to share. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll talk to you soon.